He's got talent,
Oh, he does.
but something I think he doesn't get credit for,
What's that?
he's a great actor.
Yeah, Bird Box.
One of my top 3 favorite movies of all time.
He was good in that movie.
Oh my God! Wow!
The verse is so crucial. I spit it deep, it's Confucius. I leave you leaving with lesions, lacerations, and mass confusion. Playing, you're losing. I leave your city in ruin.
What's going on, everybody? We are back with another segment of Rappers Reacts. What's up, Smoke Diggity Dog?
Everything.
Guys, we got a video for you today, but before we get started, please do us a big favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.
And for God's sake, leave us a comment and tell us what to react to next.
Please. Smokey, you got a video to show me and the world today.
I'm gonna show myself a video.
That
too.
is right. You ain't heard this
I
yet
have
either.
not heard it.
Guys, this is what we do here on the Trash Talkers React. We try to give y'all a genuine, honest reaction for the first time, and that's what you're gonna get.
And you know, not all of them are the first time one of us have heard it, but
True.
probably every video we do, except for maybe some really iconic videos.
Right.
Like this will be the first time at least one of us have heard it.
Exactly. Like the Alice in Chains, when you
Yeah.
did that, when you said Man in the Box, I'm like, wait a minute. But you knew it already.
Yeah.
And I was kind of oblivious to what he was showing me. But when he showed it to me, I mean, thanks to you guys' suggestions from the Pantera video, hey.
Yeah. Hey, and a lot of things that we covered too may have been something that we heard peripherally in the past.
Right.
And we're going back and reviewing it and just seeing what we think about it now. You know
Right.
what I'm saying? Because we probably never really paid it much attention back in the day.
Yeah, I mean, I've said this every time we come on here, guys. I'm so grateful, so thankful to have y'all as fellow trash talkers because I'm a music head, he's a music head. Y'all, I wake up in the morning, I get in my truck, and you know what I do when I get in my truck? I play music.
Of course.
So you guys give me good music to play.
Exactly. Man, we are learning so much. We are expanding our horizons doing this.
Beyond belief. Who we got today, Smoke Dizzle?
This one is our good friend MGK, and actually I say that I don't really know him personally, but
Wait, you never know. We've been around some.
I've met him.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
We probably have met him before.
yeah, I met him back in the day when he was first out on the scene. He was actually opening up for Tech Nine at that time.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. What, were you performing on the show? Or
I wasn't performing there. I was just there as a guest of Tech Nine's crew at that time.
Okay, cool. You know the name of the song?
What was it? Smoke and Drive.
Smoke
I think.
and Drive. Oh, you know what that reminds me of? You remember old school rap back in the day? Po Pimp.
Pimp.
Can you smoke and ride?
Wow, that's a blast from the past right
Real.
there.
Or do you wanna ride in the backseat of a caddy?
Yeah.
That was old school. Man, but one thing I do want to say about MGK, y'all, from the songs that I've heard, you know, of course, him going at Eminem, you know, he's got talent.
Oh, he does.
But something I think he doesn't get credit for,
What's that?
he's a great actor.
Yeah, Bird Box.
One of my top 3 favorite movies of all time.
He was good in that movie.
Right. And guys, I'm gonna make a prediction here. I promise you, in the new Bird Box, they're gonna focus on what happened to MGK and his girlfriend. That's my prediction. I don't know anything, but
I can't wait to see that, actually.
I can't wait to see this video. You ready to get into
Let's
it?
do it.
Let's do it.
So he's in the car for this one.
With the mic.
I guess he's gonna smoke and drive.
You know this beat.
Hey, what my homie Mike P say? Roll the windows up when I get in the car. And I'ma light one up. Hit the gas station, go and buy a cigar. And we can smoke this blunt. Speed it on the sunset strip in the nighttime, yeah. Trying to get fucked up.
Alright.
Roll the windows up when I smoke and drive.
Hey, that was hard.
Grave with this. I learned how to roll a joint before I shade the shit.
Alright.
Yeah, it's 7th grade and shit. I was smoking OG Cushion lemon haze and shit.
Hey.
Fuck, I had it tucked inside my backpack in the front. My dad had found it in a month. He kicked me out, he had enough. So I
Ooh.
got up, I'm in the kitchen baking pizza with a crust. For a paycheck, I could go and spend on hella drugs, yeah. Spaceship, see me when I'm up, yeah. I've been a Martian with no Elon Musk, yeah. I'm in the party.
I've been a Martian with no Elon Musk. That was hard.
I like it.
So far, I like the. All right, again, it's probably a video he shot on his phone.
Yeah.
He's sitting in the car.
It's probably one of the isolation videos that everybody's doing now. You
That's
know?
a good point. I didn't even think of that.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's got the whole studio. So now you know this beat, right? Like it's that piano.
Yeah, I know the piano. Yeah, the what would you call it? You know, I was gonna say a riff, but
Yeah, I mean, I guess you could say
yeah,
that.
I guess, yeah.
But it seems like what he did was he's got some of his fans or some people to say, hey, here's the piano. Y'all send me clips of y'all making the beat. So he's got this guy on the drum machine. So now he's showing clips of him recording to it.
Yeah, it's a big thing right now when everybody's in isolation. You can't really get a whole crew together to film a video. So,
Dang, that's a good idea.
yeah, we're seeing a lot of isolation videos lately.
Oh, yeah.
With the scrubs and the sluts, yeah. I'm rolling papers bigger than elephant tusks, yeah. I'm on quarantine, but the weed man pulls up here. Got 100
there it
pounds
is.
of
That's
backwoods.
it.
I can spend the next 4 months here. I spent 10K cash. I might cough up both lungs here. Filled up on gas, ain't got high, but no stunts here. Mask on when I'm outside. Drive fast, don't waste time. Ass on my FaceTime. Strap on my waistline. Gucci, Fendi, Prada belt. Hold it up, no Krayshawn.
See, he ashed on himself.
Oh, he did.
He's
got the ash right there.
I've been the king with the bars, but now I can play the guitar in the bass line.
Damn.
Doing it first, I'm doing the shit for the 8th time. I used to want a pool, now I'm waking up and I got one in the backyard. I break a lot of rules, so you know I'll be driving the whip like a NASCAR.
He's got a 3-camera shoot inside a car.
Right.
That's 3 cameras, bro.
Roll the windows up when I get in the car, and I'ma light one up. Hit the gas station, go and buy a cigar, and we can smoke this blunt. Speed it on the sunset strip in the nighttime, yeah. Trying to get fucked up. Hey, roll the windows up when I'm smoking.
Drive. Hey,
Yeah.
hey. I like, see,
Yeah.
yeah, this was dope. Blowing the smoke circle.
Yeah.
I'm a pro at that, by the way. So one thing I like about this, guys, y'all don't know this about me, but this guy does. My favorite genre of music, growing up as a kid until this day, is screwed and chopped music. Do some research if you don't know what it is. But he incorporated a little screwed and chopped, or screwed in this when he was like smoking.
Pitch shifting.
Yeah, pitch
Yeah.
shifting. That's the word I'm looking for.
Yeah.
But very creative video, man.
I like it. I can tell you this, though. That was not him recording that track in the car.
Oh, no.
It was a good video shoot, though, for working with what he's got.
Right.
And it may have been 2 cameras, and he was just switching how it was edited. But it almost looked like a 3-camera shoot.
Yeah, I'm sure.
That's crazy to have inside of a car.
Well, yeah, you might be right. He might have shot one time of him recording and then another time of him recording. But either way, it was very intuitive, very creative, and the lyrics are dope. I mean, that's one thing about MG. All right, I need to ask you this. As an Eminem fan, right? What did you think about MGK going after one of the greatest? What was your thought on that?
Man, I knew he didn't have a chance.
Obviously.
Yeah. I mean, he didn't have a chance right off the rip, but it was a great track.
Good song.
It was good.
Kill Shot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, well, Kill Shot was the Retaliation, right?
Yeah, the one he did after. That's
Yeah.
right, yeah.
But, man, he's got so much talent, dude. And the flow is just hard.
Yeah, and one thing I like about MGK, you know, he's from Ohio,
Cleveland,
and one of my favorite groups of all time, Bone Thugs and Harmony, and he reps his city to the absolute T. So,
and he's kind of got that basic flow that Bone had.
it's just intricate.
Yeah, the chop, you
Yeah.
know.
I think that's a Cleveland or a Midwest
It's
thing.
a Midwest thing.
Get,
Yeah.
Techno. Po Pimp.
Yeah.
I mean, Twista.
Twista, yeah.
I mean, you can go on and on, but
oh
man,
yeah. A lot of Detroit guys did that too, you know.
Eminem.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, come
There
on.
you go.
I don't know, man, but so far, Smoke and Drive, MGK, Hollywood 6, you got my approval, bro. Great song, my friend.
Yeah. I mean, past is the past, man. I can't hate on this because of, you know, his beef with Eminem.
Right.
And I'll give props for what they do, man. I like the track. It's great.
I would have to agree. Guys, my name's Behringer Hollywood 6'5".
I am Larry Smokey Ramirez Cowan.
And we are
Over
and
out.
deuces.
I want to thank you guys for tuning in to Rappers React today. If you want to see another artist that we covered, it's right over here. If you want to see the last video we did, it's right over here. Thank you guys for tuning in. We do this for you. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you will. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Deuces.